Darling, come let we go to my arrow. Cook up some curry, duck and pepper sauce. Darling, come let we go to my arrow. Cook up some curry, duck and pepper sauce.
It's to get into the flesh. Get the flesh out. We have to remove the gills. The gills. And we need to remove the intestines.
Pinch.
This is the finished product. We also need to remove the cap here.
No. Constant constant stuff. Yeah, could eat that. But you see, thin tuna, thin sardine, yeah, that's another honestly. Here we have the mixing of the conch with all the seasoning. And what does the seasoning contain? Garlic, onion, shadow benny, thyme and pepper. And it is better to probably hand mix it like how the chili Easterners do it, right? So that all in the meat, the seasoning is mixed up. And if this spoon had a nose, you could smell that great seasoning flavor. Set in the pot and pour oil. That's the amount of oil you put in. You have to wait for that oil to heat up, right? Right? Oh, in that bowl we have curry, pepper, onion, shadow benny, grind up, and seasoning. And we are going to put this now into the pot. In the oil, it's hot, it's bubbling by the sound that is mixed. In goes the condiments. First it's the onion and the pepper and the garlic and the shadow when you mix up. You have to wait until that is a little brown, and then we'll add the curry into the cooking pot.
It already did, so just making sandwich for the children. Right, yeah.
Oil, onion,
And in goes the curry now. And the curry is now mixed up together with the onion, the seasoning, and all that we explained previously just now that were in the condiment bowl. And you can see the curry has that dark brown texture. So we wait for it a little while. Now we add a little bit of water to make a little bit of sauce, also known as gravy. Oh, that's a cooking pot. That's a true training. Right, as you can see here now, how brown the curry is in the pot. It has come to us too. All mixed up and well flavored. Waiting for the conch to arrive. So you see, you have to move the spoon in motion, scrape the bottom of the pot, shove all the curry, gather it up, mix it up. And spread it back out. Now it's time to put in the conch. And in we go. As you put it in, you have to start mixing it up so all the succulent flavors will sink into the meat, making it a wonderful and tasty dinner. Also, we added some rock crab that we caught earlier on. So it wouldn't be only just conch. Well, it will be curry conch and curry crab.
Who is copying? I so sure that the pot something good. Yeah. They look for something wrong.
Now we wait a little while until you have to add some water later. So you let it cook, sit in the pot, let it cook for a while, let all the flavors sink into the meat, and let the conch itself be cooked. As earlier on, I remember I told you all when you were cleaning it, how good the meat smells. That means it will also taste good. This goes well with either dal and rice, or if you're eating for dinner, you can eat it with sada roti. But anything with that trini pot goes well, hand in hand. I've started to eat, so you can see food has been served dinner. Yeah, crab here, I'll show you. Crab you catch here. Rock crab. See? Texture of the gundi. Color it real red. This is curry. Let's have a bite. See how crunchy it is. This is very nice. That crunch. Here it again, here it again. Succulent juices now, right? Okay, now we have the conch. Right?
Darling, come let we go to my yard. Cook up some curry, duck and pepper soup. Darling, come let we go to my yard. Cook up some curry, duck and pepper soup.